Alright, good. Okay, come on, Judy. Where is it? Come on, bring it back, Judy. Bring it back, Judy. I am talking to you. Let's go. Okay, Shanti, what's our start? Alright, orang kita boleh dengar for Shanti masuk Ringo. Seven plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Mr. Master, what happened? What happened, Mati? Okay, last chance, Mati. If not, I'm going to send you to PNC. Okay, last chance, Mati. 7 plus 4. Come on, last chance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good job. Let's go to homework, Smarty. Good job, Smarty. Okay, come on, the next one. Continue your homework, Smarty. Okay, next one. Come jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, let's go to the homework interview. And also the photo. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, for your information.
Wow, he did it! Thank you very much, Veda. Yes! Wow, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our grand finale of Burn. Let's give them a big round of applause. Now with that, we've come to the end of High Flyers. You're more than welcome to come on down and take pictures of these beautiful birds as the trainers usher them back home. In a short while, we're also inviting you to be on stage, taking pictures with another group of flamingos for free using your cameras. So do stay on for that. If you wish to bring home some souvenirs, we do have beautiful plush toys available at special price right here at Pools Amphitheatre. Last but not least, on behalf of our sponsor, the Singapore Press Holdings Foundation, we'd like to wish everyone here a great day at Jurong Bird Park. And before you leave, remember, look around you and take your belongings with you. Once again, thank you so much and enjoy your day. Goodbye, everybody.